Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to import contacts in Samsung Galaxy A17. If you're using A17 and you want to import your contacts, let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your contacts app, and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, go for settings, and here you'll get import contacts and just tap on it. And here select the place from you want to import your contacts. As for example, I'm going to select my SIM. Then select the contacts and I am going to select all option. Then select done option. And here select where you want to import your contacts. And I'm going to select my Google account. Then tap on import. Once you have that, your contacts will be successfully imported. So that's how you can easily import your contacts in Samsung Galaxy A17. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.